Biometric Jaw Lock.
How to install the lock. Unpack the lock. Here are user manual, installation drawing, screws, striking plate, lock body, lock panel. Connect lock panel and lock body. Line up with wire of both sides. Add color. Check if the lock body works well or not. Measure and mark the center line of the jaw door. Align the drawing with the center line. Place it on the front door. Mark the lock body position with a drill 4.5 mm. Drill a hole at diameter 16 mm and the position. Align the drawing with the center line. Place it on the back door. Marks body position with drill at 4.5 mm. Connecting wire goes through the center hole. Fasten the panel screws. Connect lock panel with lock body. Line up with the wire of both sides. Add color. Testing. Put a finger on the scanner to check if the lock works well. Tidy up the wire to protect the wire from damage. Install lock body with screws. Testing. Put a finger on the scanner to check if the lock works well. Mark the center line of the jaw top board. Put double side tape on the striking plate. Measure the position of the striking plate, normally 2 mm more than the jaw door thickness. Install the striking plate on the jaw with screws. Install the jaw, push the jaw close. Open it with a finger. Adjust the position of striking plate, but leave 2 mm for unlocking. The lock is installed successfully.